Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have bring you the unboxing and complete review of Prestige premium quality stainless steel 4x4 ultra slim shower head. So I have purchased this for 227 rupees from Flipkart. Right now it is available for 214 rupees in Flipkart. It comes with 7 days return. So inside the box, in the warranty, it is mentioned as 7 years warranty, but in Flipkart page it is mentioned as 2 years warranty. So anyway, the quality is superb. I am using this for quite few months, so you can definitely check this out. Thanks for watching guys.